Got the front lights in, so we'll go ahead and get these and the grill installed today. I've already put light bulbs in them, so it'll be easier just to hook them right up to the wire. But if you are changing all the light bulbs, you're gonna need a 194 for that one. You're gonna need an 1156 for that one. You're gonna need a 9006 for that one, and a 9005 for that one. Not really sure why that was kind of loose the first time, but now it's in there solid. I checked out with the old one. It all looks the same. It all measures out the same. So I'm not sure why that was loose the first time, but now it's in there just fine. Kind of weird. You want to do the headlight before you do the corner light because you have those two 10mm nuts on the side, remember? So just like the backlights, I just take these down till they stop. No reason to over torque them and break them. Of course, we'll have to adjust all these when everything's done, but the light adjustment is right here. I might not show it on camera. I gotta figure out what the distance is and stuff like that, but your light adjustment's right here. It's done with a simple screwdriver, and so far we're looking pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna finish this up with the new grill. I did notice that on this grill there's actually room for 3 screws. There's one on each side and one in the middle. When I took the old one off, there was only one, so I'm gonna end up getting a couple more because I don't have any that have big enough tops to cover that. So I'll put it in with just the middle one for now, and then I'll get a couple more in a little bit. Make sure you get your clips lined up and just slide those in until they lock. Now, like I said, there should be 2 more screws, one here and one here, but that'll do for now. But it looks like a completely different car almost. Really like the way it's looking. Alright, I got them all cleaned up. Used a microfiber cloth, and we'll turn this on and try them out. Beautiful. She's gonna love it.